Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ogbono soup. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. Ogbono seeds are key for that unique, drawing texture. You'll also need your preferred protein, some fresh vegetables, and a selection of spices to bring out the best flavors. This delicious soup is a beloved staple in West African cuisine, offering a truly satisfying meal. Now let's get your ingredients prepped. Take about 1 cup of Ogbono seeds and grind them into a very fine powder. This is crucial for the soup's texture. Next, prepare your protein. Whether you prefer beef, fish, or goat meat, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Finally, wash and chop your chosen vegetables, like spinach or ugu leaves, which will add freshness and nutrients to your soup. With your ingredients ready, it's time to cook. Start by boiling your protein until it's tender, then carefully set aside the rich stock. This stock will form the base of your soup. In a separate bowl, mix your ground Ogbono with a small amount of warm water to create a smooth, lump-free paste. Now, gradually add this Ogbono paste to the boiling stock, stirring continuously to ensure it dissolves evenly. To finish your Ogbono soup, stir in your cooked protein and chopped vegetables. Let it simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and any other spices you enjoy, ensuring it's perfect for your palate. Serve your delicious Ogbono soup hot, perhaps with a side of pounded yam or fufu. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.